Let's start by looking at our standalone component, the calculator. This is a simple JavaScript object with two methods, add and subtract. The add method takes two parameters, a and b, and returns their sum. Similarly, the subtract method takes two parameters and returns the result of a minus b. This component is self-contained and has no external dependencies, making it an ideal subject for unit testing. Now let's move on to the unit tests for our calculator component. Here we're using a testing framework, such as Jest, to write our tests. We start with a describe block that groups tests related to the calculator. Inside, we declare a variable calculator which will hold our instance of the calculator component. The before each function is used to initialize a new calculator object before each test, ensuring that each test has a fresh start. Within the same describe block, we write our first test for the add method. This test is titled adds 1 plus 2 to equal 3, describing exactly what we're testing. We then call the expect function with our add method's result, passing in 1 and 2 as arguments. The tobe function asserts that the result should equal 3, which verifies that our add method is functioning correctly. The next test checks the subtract method. Titled subtracts 2 to 1 to equal 1, we're ensuring that our subtract method correctly calculates the difference between 2 and 1. Just like with the add method, we use expect and tobe to assert that the outcome of calculator subtract 2, 1 is indeed 1. With these tests in place, we've covered the functionality of both methods in our calculator component.